Alright, so the black is put back together with the emblems. And the lighting's not great in here, but you can see the shine. It's definitely better with the clear enamel. Obviously, it's not as shiny as a chrome, but I think that would be true for any black. So I like how it looks. Came out really, really good once I put the crystal clear enamel on. Now I see the result that I was looking for. Without that, with the glossifier, just had too much of a matte finish. But you can see the difference. Obviously these rims have some wear, or these hubcaps have some wear on it, so it's not going to be perfect, but I think it came out really, really good. So the key is going to be putting one on without scuffing or marking up the finish or coming off. Because as anyone knows, putting these on is always a task. The mallet or force, using a wall as leverage to push it in. So I'll give you guys another video once this is actually on the car. And then if I like it, try and do the rest of the other three. So this one's just an experiment, it's just a test. So far I really like how it came out after the crystal clear coat. Alright, so this is how it looks with it superimposed on. I haven't pushed it in all the way yet, but I think it doesn't look too bad. I mean, it obviously takes away from the chrome shiny, all shiny look, but it gives it a more sporty, updated, with the era look, I would say. Something different, cheap and easy, that you can switch out in like a half an hour to an hour. You know, if you wanted to switch between the chrome and the blacked out hubcaps, it won't take you that long. So I just gotta knock it in. But you can see up close, it looks really, really good. I like how it came out. And with the chrome contrast, chrome emblem contrast on the black, I think it looks really nice. From afar, I'm not as in love with it just because it kind of still gives that spare tire look. I thought it would be a little bit more refined of a look, I guess, but I like it as an alternative, you know, if you get bored with the chrome. And I might try and get some extra emblems on the vinyl top, the Coupe de Ville emblem. If I get that, I'll try and block that out so I can switch those. Those come out really easy with just a little pry tool. So that's no big deal. It takes 5 seconds. And then once I got these on, I could match up the black Coupe de Ville emblem. So I think it works because it still has the chrome emblem on the hubcap, which kind of still ties into the chrome trim. Obviously it's not the factory look, but you can see the comparison to the factory. And my windows are tinted, so it kind of gives it a nice effect. So that's it. I'm going to try and knock it in, and we'll take it from there and try the next three.